This is day 2 of Fintech Festival India 2022. I got a chance to interview loads of industry leaders and trailblazers in the field of Web3. So we just found out that Nawfal's in the hall. We have to find him somehow, and so all of us are basically running. Nawfal is co-founder of NFT Technologies. He's an entrepreneur, angel investor, and a respected name in the Web3 world. Now, Mario, you've often been vocal about how Bitcoin is not an energy guzzler, right? So what are other myths in crypto that you think should be busted?
Too many of them.
Yes.
NFTs are not just profile pictures. NFTs is just digital ownership.
Right.
So Smith, I'll tell the listeners right now. So myth number 1 is what NFTs are. Myth number 2, decentralization will lead to our world our society being utopian. No, people expected that in Web 1, Web 2.0, and look where we are today. Web 3 will improve things, but we're not going to have a utopia. Is that it's going to be a dystopia, that the world's going to become worse now that we're going to be in that metaverse, going to be in that virtual world. We're not going to have interactions like this.
Right.
That's not going to happen either. If anything, it's going to improve, but I'm going to talk about it in the speech shortly, it's going to improve our society in many ways. Whenever someone says it's going to be black or it's going to be white, crypto's going to zero. Crypto's going to $1 million tomorrow. Generally, both options are wrong, and it's always somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
So studies have shown, billionaires don't think in binary terms.
Yeah.
Nothing's black and white. So on crypto, it's no different.
On that note, we have a small surprise for you. This is to
A
give
Bitcoin
you a taste
cookie.
of Bitcoin. Yeah. To
Love it.
Bite into Bitcoin, and we thought this would be a great idea.
Love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Nice
Good
to
to
meet
see
you,
you
Mario.
again. Thank you.
Okay, we managed to get the Mario interview. I'm so happy. We finally got the interview. It went so well. We even gave him that Bitcoin cookie thanks to Shivam's idea. Super excited about how this interview is going to shape up. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.